and she's bringing us the best of the best.
Yes.
Mwah.
Hi, everyone.
Drone Peptide Technology, right? We all know what drones do. They zoom around, they zoom around, they zoom around, right? Peptides, we know what they do. They help with the collagen on your skin. Drone Peptide Technology targets and gets to your skin so that you can see results. We're gonna put them on the screen right away as soon as I tell you about this. So this is the Matrix, Night Matrix Moisturizer. I launched this here with Emer at QVC. And I remember in one night we sold like 10,000 of these. Today is your day to pick it up at a great value. It should be over $109. Today you get it home for $89.
And at retail, it's $165.
And today we have it for you at $18 on Easy Pay.
Oh, that's
free
good.
shipping. Look, this is the reason why we've sold so many of them.
It is, and you can see those very deep etched in lines in the before, but it's the lack of firmness, the lack of elasticity. The support structure has been completely removed from that before skin and re-established in that after. That is stronger, resilient, robust skin today and for tomorrow.
And it works all over. You know, like, because a lot of people, Emer and Allie, have this problem, right? They're like, oh, I need my eyes, my mouth. That's what we address a lot of times. But then you're like, wait, I actually just want the whole thing to look great. This does it for you.
It does, because the reality is that stress is the new silent ager. So here we have a formulation that is designed specifically with the next generation of ingredients. This in here has got the highest science, the most advanced, cutting-edge, sophisticated technology of ingredients, not just for ELEMIS, but for the global skincare industry, and that's what Alberti was telling you about. It is smart, intuitive skincare. The world around us is smart, from our phones to our homes to our refrigerators. So why not our skincare? And that's what this night cream does for you. This seeks out the areas of your skin that are challenged by stress and aging. It delivers those key core peptides exactly where they're needed. And we'll show you lots more before and afters to back everything I'm saying up, but also clinically proven to do so.
Available on auto delivery. You can get it every 60 days for a full year. Why wouldn't you when you can get results like this? This is after 4 weeks. By the way, it's not a separate eye cream.
No.
Right, good point.
No. This is all over restoring the strength, the firmness, the elasticity to the skin while it's tackling those lines and wrinkles. And it's not just the fine lines this is working on, it is those deep etched in crow's feet, those established expression lines. We are tackling it all. And you can see that star bursting around that eye area coming down over the cheek. We have taken care of that. Strength, support, resilience, firmness, but also look how brighter, more luminous the skin is. Nighttime is the most powerful time to target your skin. This is not just a night cream. This is not just a moisturizer. This is an overnight treatment for you. Every single person showed a measured increase in the skin's elasticity, clinically proven to do so. Every single person showed a measured reduction in the appearance of their lines and wrinkles, and every single person agreed that their skin looked less stressed and more youthful in the morning. That is what we all want to achieve. Less stress skin. That means our skin is smoother, softer, it is plumped up and hydrated.
Listen, it's a today only price. This price is the lowest price you're gonna see it at for the next 3 months. Should be $165 at retail. You know where ELEMIS sells, right? You know where ELEMIS sells. You go to those high-end beauty department stores, you see it in the spas. I went to like the most fancy hotel in Beverly Hills. They have an ELEMIS spa there. And these products, this is $165 there.
That's full price,
Everybody buys it and loves it. Here at our store and only at QVC do you get it for $89.98 with an $18 Easy Pay. Everybody's locking it in on auto delivery because it makes sense. You know ELEMIS, this is the #1 skincare brand at QVC in the United Kingdom. Today we have it for you with that free shipping, a $698,481. You know, Emer, when it comes to skincare, Allie, myself, all the hosts here, we get to try anything we want. Anything we want.
You do, you've got
do you
the
know what
pick
I
of the
buy over and over again? This. You know why? Because you actually see and feel the
Real
results.
results.
Elasticity. Talk to everyone what elasticity is, because that's what this is. That's the pull.
It
but
is.
now I can pull this, but the snap back is why I
it.
use Matrix.
So think of a rubber band. Think of like memory foam action.
Yes.
So, you know, a regular mattress, right? You lie on it and over time you get this big
sinks.
sunken hole, right? Memory foam, that's the ability for it to bounce back, to bring itself back up to that beautiful, firm level. And that is what this does here. So we've taken that next generation ingredient, but then we blend it with what we do expertly, a gorgeous blend of seaweeds in here as well. So we do have our Padina Pavonica. We've got wild indigo, oleosaccharides. The smell of this, some of the girls,
the aroma's the best.
The aroma, it has got the most soothing, relaxing, because that's what we need at nighttime.
And I want you to see
Calm
this.
the senses,
Look
relax
at how
the mind and body.
Look at how this cream bounces.
Ooh, it's like a
right?
rich creme anglaise, this custardy, delicious, bouncy, beautiful texture that melts into your complexion at nighttime. This gives your skin comfort. So while you're sleeping, this hydrates, plumps, floods
so
your
good.
skin with nourishment, but it is going hard to work with all of those. Like I said, it's the most sophisticated, groundbreaking technology of ingredients here. That intuitive, intelligent, smart complex of peptides. It's all about pro-collagen, promoting collagen for your skin, giving your skin all of what it needs to establish good collagen health. And that is why this is our #1 night cream. And it's your favorite, and it's my favorite, because it delivers the most amazing results.
Now here's the thing, we're going to show you before and afters, and I want to remind you, this today only price goes away at the end of the day today. It's kind of like a today special value, where instead of paying $165 and then getting it home and trying it, you can get it home for $89.98 or just $18 on a credit card to get these kind of results.
Yeah, and you can see the support, the structure is gone from the skin in the before, and that's why we're seeing that skin that is so deeply lined and wrinkled, but also the elasticity, the collagen just isn't there. So what we're doing is we're transforming the skin. We're giving it back that strength, the support, the firmness, improving the elasticity, but also brightening, illuminating, and hydrating the skin.
Emer, we
this is your
love you.
treatment at night. I love you more. It's not possible for you to love me as much
It is
as I love you.
impossible for you to love me more than I love you. 8698481 is your item number. Get it on auto delivery. You get it every 60 days for a full year. You lock in this price, which, by the way, remember, it's the lowest price you're going to see it at for the next 3 months, and you get that free shipping. 8698481 is your item number there. Time to smell good. Come on out here, Lisa Tancredi, with Philosophy.
Hi, Lisa.
Nobody
Here,
does
come on
fragrance
in.
like this brand.
Right?
Good morning.
Love fragrance.
Mwah, you look beautiful.